Hello and welcome to another edition of the Mountain Minutes, where I discuss all things steamboat related. I'd like to first talk about the real estate market and where we currently stand. For all properties, we are up a median price of 16.5% year to date. What that means is that the market is really hot. If you're a home buyer, you really need to have your mortgage pre-approval in place and be ready to make an offer as soon as a good property comes to market. If you're not able to see it within the first 24 hours, this may even mean making an offer sight unseen. If you're a homeowner, now is a phenomenal time to sell. You still need to price your home competitively and correctly. That said, I'm having a lot of success with my clients, both buyers and sellers, so please reach out if you'd like some more information. I'm going to attach an economic report webinar that I watched this week, and I recommend you all watch it as well. The gist of it is that Steamboat bodes well for the future for a number of reasons. One of them being that we are more economically diverse than some other ski resort towns. Another being Southwest Airlines, which will begin 3 daily flights from Denver beginning mid-December through March 1st. Another being Starlink, which is Elon Musk's satellite company, which will enable high-speed internet to remote areas, which all combined with people increasingly working remotely means that Steamboat will likely see increased prices and more expansion moving into the future. Recreation related, we did have a major windstorm on Tuesday with lots of downed trees on the trails. I want to give a shout out to a lot of my friends who have gone out with chainsaws and cleared many of those trails. So if you're thinking of coming up to go mountain biking or dirt biking, I still recommend it. However, you may still have some logs to jump over. So that's about all I have for today. I wish you all a wonderful week, and until next Friday, take care. See ya.